What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. In my last video, I hinted to you guys that I had a new addition to this channel. And here it is, the Traxxas Unlimited Desert Racer. I've been waiting on this truck. I actually been waiting to get my hands on it for a couple months now. It finally came in on Saturday. And now we're going to go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Let's go ahead and do it. We'll go ahead and take a look at some of the features on this truck. It's four-wheel drive. They got down there Pro Scale, fully functional tube chassis. It's got a solid axle out back, independent front suspension. Of course, it's got the VXL6 speed control, GTR aluminum shocks, direct drive, center differential, detailed interior, and this got two spare tires out back. Long travel front suspension, and then 4-link solid axle in the rear. I really like those disc brakes. Alright, I say enough with all that. Let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. The knife will go ahead and cut the seal. Alright. Open it up here. You can see that. First off, we got of course, the TQI. Whoa, let's get them out here. The TQI 2.4 gigahertz controller. It's the exact same of all their other models. I got a ton of these things. Right, let's see. Oh, here it is. Oh, that thing's nice. This aside. Go ahead, of course you got your instruction manuals, you got some tools. Looks like some foam pads for use to space your batteries. And I'm not exactly sure what that is. It's got a little, looks like a little fake lock. And of course your Traxxas stickers. Enough of that for now. Oh! Wow. I'm going to take the truck out. The plastic here. Oh. Wow, this truck is nice. Whoa, look at that suspension. It's got a lot of travel in the rear. I'm really liking that Fox body. I'll give you guys a see the two, I guess you call them functional spare tires. In case you need to use, you got two back there. You got the two little fire hydrants. Man, they went into some detail. Now, one thing I want to point out, you don't have body clips on this truck. You got screws to actually take the body off. You got quite a few of them around the whole truck. I think because that makes the body actually stronger. You see the guys in there. To actually get the body off, you got 4 screws in the front. I think there's 2 on the sides, and then you got 2 more back here. And it has these bumpers are kind of notched out, and you got to weave the body around those to get those off. And for the battery, see underneath the truck, you see the control arms there, the 4-link setup, drive shaft, at the rear end, and you put the battery, let's see, See if I can flip this over. There we go. You put the battery in the bottom. You could either run it on 4S or 6S. A little Traxxas. It's kind of hard to do that with one hand. Looks like a little precaution voucher. We'll have to go ahead and read that over. Put this back on. Latch that down. Oh! It's not as easy as it looks doing it with one hand. It actually got some weight to it. Let's go ahead and check out the shocks. Wow. That is cool. Go ahead and see the rear. Look at that travel. I went ahead and removed the body. There was a total of 12 Allen screws holding it on. There was 4 on the hood itself, 2 on each of the side panels, 2 more on the back of the roof, and then 2 more in the very back on the bed. Oh. Now Traxxas put a whole lot of detail into this truck. You see you got the receiver up front. Your speed control is out back down there. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. There's a speed control back there. Something I missed when I first unboxed it is you got a spare drive shaft right on the back of the truck. And also if you look at the side, let's see. You see the cage, the spare tires. You got the shock reservoirs right there on the back too, so you got one on each side. And you can see the shocks. They put a ton of detail in this truck. It's like the longer you look at it, the more you see. Now another thing that I seen, I thought that was a fake lock. I don't know why I thought that, but it's actually like a split connector or something. A loop connector. I'll have to look into that a little more. Here's another shot. Just for a quick size comparison, I went ahead and put it next to my Traxxas Monster Slash. Well, it's a little dark. As you can see, it's quite a bit bigger than my Slash. Of course, it's going to be because you got 1 7 scale next to 1/10 scale. Just to kind of give you guys an idea of the size. Alright you guys, that was my quick unboxing of the new Traxxas Unlimited Desert Racer. I'm getting a little anxious to get this thing out and see what it could do. And as always, if you guys like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.